Once upon a time, on the bank of a pond in a jungle, there lived a group of pigeons. In this group, there were many pigeons. Few of them were big, small, and baby pigeons. They all used to live happily, and every day they used to fly to various places in search of their food. One old pigeon was the leader of the group. He was very intelligent and smart. All the pigeons obeyed his directions. One day, this group of pigeons was flying in search of food, and on the way, they saw some seeds spread over. Seeing the good seeds lying, they felt like coming down to earth to eat them. Their leader understood their feelings and explained,
Look down. Below is the place where human beings stay. This can be a trap as such. We should not land at this place and fall in trap.
Sir, if we don't land here, where will we go? What will we eat? Look, sir, there are a lot of good seeds, which we can eat it to our heart's will.
Leader Pigeon, spoke one of the younger pigeon. After listening, the baby pigeons also started crying and asking for food and water. While listening to all this, the leader said,
Okay, it's all right, but please be careful.
All the pigeons flew down to land after getting instructions from the leader and started enjoying the seeds. They were no longer hungry. They started playing and making various sounds, gooter-goo, gooter-goo. But they didn't know that they have been trapped. They couldn't fly and they were helpless. They didn't know what they should do. They could see the death in front of them. Looking at this, the leader said that there is no need to panic or lose confidence. We will have to use our intelligence. You sit quietly and wait for my signal. The moment I say 1, 2, 3, all of you should fly at one go.
Okay, sir. We will do as you say.
While this discussion was on, the hunter walked in and he was very happy to see so many pigeons trapped and said,
Oh, so many pigeons have been trapped, but they look unconscious. Where can they go? Now they are under my control.
After this thought, the hunter started removing the net, and the moment he opened last rope of the net, the leader of the pigeons said, Fly now! And all the pigeons with one strength flew away. The hunter was very sad.
Oh my God! I have not only lost my pigeons, but they have taken away my net also. How can I earn my livelihood?
Children, the moral of the story is that if you remain united, you will have more strength amongst you. So there is strength in unity.